we are tracking very closely is where a Parliamentary Standing Committee has called for a meeting of the representatives of the Law Commission and the Law Ministry on 3rd July over a recent notice issued by the Law Panel seeking views of stakeholders on the issue of Uniform Civil Code. The development also comes a days after Prime Minister Modi made a pitch for the Uniform Civil Code at a gathering of the BJP workers in Madhya Pradesh's Bhopal. The Standing Committee on Law and Personal Laws will hear views of representatives of the Law Panel and Legal Affairs and the Legislative Departments of the Law Ministry on public notice issued by the Law Commission of India on 14th June 2023, inviting views from various stakeholders on the Uniform Civil Code under the subject Review of Personal Laws. The Law Panel had received nearly 8.5 lakh responses on its public notice until Tuesday evening.
As far as the raging debate over the Uniform Civil Code, the implementation of UCC is concerned, the Rajya Sabha Secretariat has in a press note released late last night said that on July 3rd, a meeting of, it will be holding a meeting whereby the views of the Legislative Department of Legal Affairs, and most importantly the Law Commission will be heard on the preparing a draft for the UCC. Remember why this is important is because this raises a question whether the government is fast-tracking or expediting the process of UCC, because the deadline set by the Law Commission to elicit views and suggestions and recommendation of the stakeholders, public individuals, and also recognized religious organizations expires only on July 14. But the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Law and Justice has decided to hold a meeting on July 3rd itself, and importantly summoning the Law Commission members also. And this significantly comes after a big push by the Prime Minister, who had in a rally in Bhopal said that UCC is the need of the hour, and even the Supreme Court has made positive observations regarding it in several judgments, and therefore this is the need of the hour, and also said that the country cannot function when there are dual laws in personal matters of various religions. But the opposition has been criticizing the Prime Minister and accusing the BJP of trying to polarize the religious polarization ahead of the state and Lok Sabha elections. So this meeting is very important given the fact that the deadline set by the Law Commission expires only on July 14, but at the same time, the Parliamentary Committee has called for a meeting on July 3rd, raising questions whether the government plans to expedite, fast-track the process of the Uniform Civil Code.